You're watching Mastering Meta Robots, a step-by-step guide from SEOPress. In this series, we'll teach you how to leverage SEOPress, the leading SEO plugin for WordPress, to manage meta robots for everything from post types to site-wide configurations. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. SEOPress offers a handy feature for enabling index and nofollow columns right within your WordPress admin. In this video, we'll show you how to activate these columns to better manage your posts and pages. You can make your workflow easier by enabling the index and nofollow columns in your post listings. Just go to Appearance under Advanced Settings and check those options. This gives you a quick overview of each post status. Now let's walk through enabling the noindex and nofollow columns in your WordPress admin. First, navigate to the Posts section by clicking on Posts in your WordPress dashboard, then select All Posts. Once you're on the All Posts page, look towards the top right corner and click on Screen Options. In the drop-down, check the boxes for noindex and/or nofollow, depending on what you'd like to see. After that, click Apply. You should now see the noindex and/or nofollow columns appear next to each post in your list, allowing you to easily manage the meta robot settings for each post. With the SEOPress index and nofollow columns enabled, managing meta robots becomes a breeze, giving you an overview of your SEO status at a glance. In the next video, we'll streamline this process even further by using SEOPress's bulk actions for meta robots. Stay with us. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing with SEOPress.